It really doesn't matter what the weather's doing. One sure sign that spring is not far away. It is the annual Tri-State Home Show. Home Show number 55 coming up this weekend. Here to talk with us more about that is Eric Weekly, and Eric is the Vice President of Mortgage with our partners, TVFCU. Good to see you, Eric. How are you?
Great. Thank you, Chip. Good morning.
What do you most look forward to at the Home Show every year? You personally.
Me personally, I like seeing the vendors that are there. I'm always in the market for something, whether it be home renovations or something new. I like to see what's being offered, what's the newest, latest, greatest technology when it comes to home building, home renovations, outdoor lighting, you name it. It's all going to be there.
I know you've been there at the Home Show for a number of years, as have I, and I'm sure we're both constantly amazed by how they keep kicking this up a notch each and every year. Just when you think you can't fit anything else into the trade center, hold my beer and watch this. They always prove us wrong. It's amazing the amount of time, thought, and effort that goes into the display of pretty much each and every vendor that's there.
You're absolutely right. And, and shout out to the Home Builders Association of Greater Chattanooga for putting on this show for the 55th year in a row. And I know we've been a sponsor of it for many, many, many years. And it is the marketing aspect and what the booths bring and just how each company can recreate itself year after year after year. It's truly tremendous. Tell
us what you and the folks at TVFCU are going to be doing at the 55th Annual Tri-State Home Show.
So at the Home Show this coming weekend, we're going to be right at the front main entrance. As soon as you walk in the main doors, we're going to be right there on display. We will have our mortgage origination team there throughout all 3 days. Just kind of talking to the patrons about what we offer, the products and services that we can provide from a mortgage lending standpoint, as well as just the credit union in general. So come by and see us. We're going to be registering for a $500 gift card that TVFC will be giving away. We will pick that winner on Monday after the show. And also, we'd like to talk to you about how we can help you save more with TVFCU, which is our current promotion where we are covering the cost of an appraisal and a credit report for your mortgage transaction.
Wow, pretty amazing what you guys are doing there. And TVFCU, like all of the other vendors at the Tri-State Home Show, seems to bring a little extra game to the table each and every year. Again, the Home Show is going on this weekend, and in speaking with you all, a few weeks ago, you're going to have several members of your team there all throughout the show, start to finish, so there's no waiting in line. Can't beat that.
Yeah, Friday 10 to 7, Saturday same time frame, Sunday 11 to 5. We will have our booth staffed live and in person with our mortgage origination team to help answer any questions that anybody might have.
Eric Weekly, thank you very much, and thanks to you folks at TVFCU for teaming up with the Home Builders Association and all of us here at News 12 Now. Hope it's going to be a tremendous, tremendous home show. Eric, thank you, and have a great weekend. Enjoy your
Thank
weekend.
you. We look forward to it.
All right, you want to find out more about what's going on? It'll all be happening down at the Trade Center. You can find a link to it through our website or the TVFCU website. It is going to be big. Get your tickets. HomeshowChattanooga.com. HomeshowChattanooga.com.